Hello, welcome to the SAS and Teradata Technology Showcase. My name is Tom Nguyen from Teradata. I'm joined today by SAS, Lisa Dotson.
Hello.
And Paul Siegel from Teradata.
G'day.
In this segment, we're going to show you the Analytics Accelerator, which is a product that SAS has created just for Teradata. And it is a way to develop models inside a database. Lisa, can you tell us a bit more what Analytics Accelerator does?
Absolutely. So up to this point, we've seen some base procedures being executed inside of Teradata through the SAS Access to Teradata product. We've also seen some data cleansing executing inside of Teradata through the in-database data quality accelerator. And what Analytics Accelerator does is it further extends that SAS functionality in terms of what can be processed inside the Teradata environment by exposing more of our analytic procedures. I believe in the example we're going to walk through, we're going to see proc-reg being executed inside of Teradata.
Correct, Lisa. So the way the Analytics Accelerator works is some very smart people on both sides of, or both companies, worked out a way to calculate the X prime X inverse matrix inside the database in parallel. So I'm doing a linear regression here. I'm saving the estimators out into SAS Works. I'm going to use them for scoring in the next little section. So here's my model. You can see it's a rather large one. I'm doing max R. Now, if I wanted to do model selection, I could run a model using forwards, backwards, and max R, pick the best one. Now, what will happen in that case is because they'd all be nested underneath the proc-reg here, it would calculate that X prime X inverse matrix once, cache it, and use it for the next models. So we've got that initial high CPU usage once, and that's it. So let's give this a run. And this does take a little bit of a while to run because it's doing a fair bit of work. So we sit here and watch the little blue spinny thing go around. I don't believe it has a name, hence the term little blue spinny thing. And there we go. We've just done 1 million records, linear regression on 1 million records in, where's my timings? Up here somewhere. In a couple of seconds. I can't actually find the timings at the moment. And again, we see the magic blue words. SQL generation will be used for in-database computation. And there's the SQL that was, some of the SQL that was being generated. So now I've got my model and I've got my estimators saved into SAS Work. I can actually use the proc score to score that linear model inside the database. So proc score, this is the data I'm going to score against. This is the table I'm putting my results into. These are the estimators, and it's telling it I'm passing parameters in. And this is the variable list. So let's run this. Let's score 1 million records for my linear regression. And it took just under 2 seconds to score 1 million records. And if you want to see what the scores look like, I can quite easily run that. So there's my full record. And there's my scores down the bottom here. My linear estimate scores.
Paul, thank you. And as you can see, using Analytics Accelerator for Teradata, they're extremely fast. It only took a few seconds, under 2 seconds, to actually see and score the actual model. In the next segment, we're going to show you how to analyze our data by using Scoring Accelerator for Teradata from SAS. Thank you for your attention. Lisa, Paul, thank you.